the only option. You can directly contact with Facebook for any problem. So my problem was I have removed myself accidentally from my Facebook page admin, and I don't have any other admin who can edit me. So I'm making this video for myself and for others as well, to know how to regain or reclaim your Facebook page if you accidentally remove yourself from Facebook page admin. This is the option, directly contact with the Facebook, and I've seen a lot of option, a lot of video, nothing is works, and this is the option. If for any problem you can directly contact with Facebook. So first things to do, go to Facebook. So this is my page, I already opened it, and I lost myself as admin. So I'm going to settings. As you can see, manage ad. So here is the one option, report a problem, and this is the only direct to contact with Facebook for any problem. So my problem was I have removed myself as admin from my Facebook page, so I have to reclaim or regain my Facebook. So I'm going to report a problem. So this is where was the problem. Okay, so there's no any other option to click apart from other problem, because my problem is different. My problem with my Facebook page, so it's, and I just have to copy paste what is the problem. So my problem, I have accidentally removed, okay, I have removed myself as an admin for a Facebook page. How can I regain? So I have removed myself as an admin for a Facebook page. How can I regain? So yeah, so whatever is problem, you can write it down here, and you have to write it down, your email address, the email address you've been used for your Facebook page or sign up for Facebook. Okay, this is my email, and I already took a screenshot of my Facebook page, so I'm just gonna upload it so they can find out. There's, so yeah, some click sending report. Yeah, all done. They will contact you within 3 working days, maybe sooner or later. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So make sure you guys subscribe me. I need 1000 subscriber. For your kindness, I can gain a monetizations. Please subscribe me guys. I make a lot of video for free, but I don't have any subscriber, and I have a lot of viewers but I don't have any subscriber. Please subscribe me so I can apply for monetization for your kindness. Thank you very much. Thanks guys.